right, we've already talked about reflective listening. Let's talk about inquiry listening and the kinds of questions you can ask to get to the bottom line. First of all, the reason why you want to use inquiry listening is because it will allow you to determine data from the other person. It sounds like this. These are the kinds of questions or statements you can ask to help uncover the other person's perspective. So, Jim, what causes you to say that? Or, Megan, what went into that decision? Or, honey, can you help me understand your thinking about this? You absolutely do not want to say, so what's your proof? Because that's going to put the person on the defense. Inquiry will also help you to uncover the person's reasoning, what went into that decision. So here's how that sounds. How does that relate to what you're concerned about, Megan? Or what's the significance of that, Heather? Or what was your next thought or assumption when you were processing this, Bill? So there it is, tips under 2. In the next video, I'll continue my discussion on inquiry questions and why you should ask them and give you some more specific language to help you do that. So this is Dr. A, the Gap Closer, reminding you that we all have gaps and we all need to close those gaps. You can check me out on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or Pinterest, and you can click that link right down there so that you and I can stay in touch. Have a great day.